the loving that I need. Come on, baby, let me plant the seed. You got the loving that I need. Your loving bring men to their knees. That love.
Hey dolls, it's the Curly Sage and welcome back to my channel. So when I get home from running my errands for the day, I just put on my bag and get a bit more comfortable, and really quickly I'm just going to show you guys my OOTD for the day. So I pair these high-waisted jeans with this super unique black ruffled off the shoulder top, and I love it because I've never seen anyone wear it before. So right when I get home, I typically just chill for a bit and browse on my phone through my Snapchat and Instagram, and be sure to follow me guys, it's at the Curly Sage. I know, shameless self promo, but I just love talking to you guys on there.
Straight love, girl. Oh, and I can't wait to see her. Your love made me a believer, and I won't fight the.
For some reason, I just love blasting the air conditioning in my house, so I usually have to put on like a pullover or a robe. This knit hoodie's from Givenchy, so I'm just gonna pull it on so I'm not shivering in my boots. Then it's about that time where I go make myself a snack because, well, girls gotta eat.
And if I fail?
He didn't say. Your staff, please.
So down in my kitchen, or should I say my favorite place on earth, I'm just gonna whip up a really simple and easy snack I've been absolutely obsessed with recently. So I'm just gonna take my apple and dice it up into small little cute pieces. And the good thing about this snack is that all of the ingredients are stuff you'll have laying around your house. And make sure to cut out that icky apple core because we definitely don't want that.
One of the deadly tests. The challenges are much more challenging.
So baby, tell me what you're doing tonight. Matter of fact, what you're doing for the rest of your life. I'll do anything just to see you smile.
So once I'm done with the first half of the apple, I go right ahead and start chopping up the other half.
I won't stop till I get that love.
Time for your crazy games. Give me my friends back. We're leaving.
And don't forget to cut out that core because trust me, from experience, it doesn't taste very good. So once I'm done with the apple, I go on to my next simple ingredient, which is a mandarin.
I can't get enough of your
Lunchbox kid, I'm hungry.
So I love mandarins. They have tons of vitamin A, B, and C, antioxidants, and they're really great for your skin, and they also taste great too. For this extremely simple snack, I typically use about 3 slices of mandarin, and I just go ahead and cut them right up. So after cutting them, I go right ahead and start squeezing out those natural juices. The 3 slices should get you at least half of a teaspoon, and
Don't buy store-bought mandarin juice. It doesn't have as much nutrients and vitamins, and it won't taste as good.
So then I go right ahead and sprinkle the half a teaspoon of mandarin juice on top of my apples. Then I just take some pure, organic, Wakandan ground cinnamon and dust that on top of my apple pieces. Then I just take some Hawaiian coconut shreds and also dust that on top. And that's it for this super quick, simple, and easy snack. You guys have to try it. It smells delicious. I can't wait to eat it.
for the rest of your life.
I usually just bring my snack upstairs and snack while I'm watching YouTube videos or Netflix.
Over in the mountain, in the ocean.
Delicious snacks and great entertainment equals a good time.
Come on, I'm ready for the next challenge.
After letting my food digest, it's time to get in a quick workout. I usually work out with my kettlebell I got from Amazon. You can do a bunch of different kind of exercises with just this one simple tool.
I choose you. Raw.
I can't get enough of you.
Whew, that was a great workout. Time to hit the showers. Poof, we're in my bathroom. So before jumping in the bath, I just go right ahead and remove all of my makeup.
Girl, I'm bringing everything. Offer. If it's not enough, then tell me what you wanna. Right. I'm supposed to have your love.
I don't know about you guys, but having a bare face just feels so refreshing. I've been obsessed with these bath bombs from fizzitup.ca. This one smells like blueberry and hibiscus. Be sure to use code SAGE for 10% off, link in the description.
Everybody's got a thing, but some don't know how to handle it.
And hey, I'm a kid at heart, so I love to add in some bubble bath.
Taking the things now that happen. Don't you worry about a thing. When you die, when you check it out.
Ah, this feels great.
And then you must go look at faces just to feel the best. Don't you worry about a thing. Everybody feels a change to take out the new. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing. Sin City wasn't made of angels like you. Will you know it? 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 Take that off. I just wanna see you. Sin City wasn't made of angels like you. No more clothes. Other girls, they behave as they text into late. Maybe angels like you. I need.
I just feel so relaxed and content after I take baths.
My Money, 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 ha, ha.
So for my PJs, I just changed into a knit gown because it's kind of chilly.
Never be a runner.
Money, money, ha, ha. Make your meal up, put like a Santa. Me have money in a sky, money in a hungry. Me have money at the valley, me have money at jungle.
For dinner, I actually meal prep, so I have this kale, cabbage, tomato, and quinoa salad. Delish.
You're the love of my life. Come on. Girl, I need you right by my side. So baby, tell me what you're doing tonight. Matter of fact, what you doing for the rest of your life? I'll do anything just to see you smile. For your love, I would run more than a mile. Over any mountain in the ocean wide. I won't stop.
Hello? Hi, I just placed an order for delivery. I just want to add something to my order.
You want to order for delivery?
I placed an order already. I just want to add something.
Did you order it online?
Yes.
Can I have your address? So what you want to...
I just wanted to add barbecue sauce on half of the pizza.
Barbecue sauce on the half of the pizza. On the top of the pizza. Okay, just a second. Jamie?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Anything else for today?
No, that was all.
That's fine?
Yep, that's it.
Okay, bye.
Bye. What the heck? Phone is messed up.
Stop till I get that love.
So after I'm done eating, I just chill on my phone or my laptop until I'm ready to go to bed.
Jacket, 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 jacket.
Why isn't it in my DNA? I'm just kind of lazy, but I genuinely just have like a bunch of stuff.
But I can't wait to see her. Your love made me a believer.
I am tired. Time to head to bed. In bed, I just have a few more scrolls through Instagram and Twitter to catch up on the latest gossip. Tristan Thompson is trifling. And that, dolls, was my night routine. It's time for me to head to bed and see what tomorrow has in store. Thanks for watching. Good night.